We're going to start with the assembly of the electric latch. Take the cover off of the switch or receiver. Got a jumper pin. Move it from 24 to 12 volt to the bottom left corner of the circuit board. I'm going to take, you have 4 screws, your hot wire from your battery, be pin number 1. Your ground from the battery, number 2. The jumper from number 1 to number 3. And the hot wire to the latch itself to number 4. That's the wiring of the switch. This is the wiring kit for the actuator. It plugs in on the back of the actuator. Actuator is screwed to the latch itself. This one right here will be the ground wire. Inside the box, these wires should be connected through the box itself. Always ensure you have a charged battery. Ensure that you have a good ground connection. In every electric latch there is a wire nut. The wire nut is to connect the red wire to the top wire on the actuator. To ensure a good battery, there's a switch on the circuit board directly below the diode or LED. When you hit that button, that light will come on. When programming the electric latch to a new actuator, first thing you'll do, there's a small hole on the side of the key fob. Put a paper clip or a pin inside there and the red light will come on. Hit the button on the circuit board directly below the LED and it will come on. You click the button, the LED on the circuit board will go off. Insert your pin and turn the red light off, and that's what makes your actuator work. If your actuator is wired improperly, you close the latch, it will not open. It causes the actuator to push out instead of to pull in. If it's doing that, disconnect the 2 gray wires and switch them. So that when you hit the button, it opens the latch. If the electric latch isn't or has stopped working, the first thing to check is going to be the battery inside the key fob. If it doesn't send a proper signal, it will actually look like it's working, but it won't. You can pop that open, and it's a CR2032 battery, 3 volt. It just pops right in there real easy. If you switch the battery and it's still not working, check your battery, your main battery. Ensure that it is charged. If you've checked both of the batteries and both batteries are good, and you're still not getting a connection to either the switch or the actuator, make sure to double check your ground. You have the one going to your battery, and these will be connected to the main body, to the solid ground, to the metal. If when you check the ground, your ground is good and you're still not getting a signal to your actuator, you can disconnect the hot wire out of the switch, and you can connect it directly to the hot on the battery, and it will open the latch. That allows you to know that the actuator is actually good. If it does not work, then the actuator is bad and needs to be replaced.